This is a service video by GL Technics. Before you start servicing your EBS 100, make sure to disconnect it from any power source and remove the pressure. Firstly, disconnect it from any power source by simply pulling the cable. Now make sure that the hose is connected to the collection tank. Now you can check the gauges, and if they show 0 bar, this is a good indicator. But you can never be certain. This is why you have to follow the next steps. Bring lever A to position A2 and B to B3. Then A to A1 and B to B2. And finally, both levers to position 1. Now you can vent the system by pushing the valve. Your EBS 100 is now pressureless and disconnected from any power source, and you're good to go. Today, we're going to show you how to replace the electric components of the control unit of your EBS 100. In order to do so, you'll need some paper, a pen, a metric size 2 and a metric size 3 Allen key. The already disassembled control unit has to be placed upside down. First, we want to remove the power switch. Please make sure that you take notes which cable goes where. Every connected cable has its own certain number. Remove the cables and then clip out the power switch. Now place the correct number of cable at the correct position. Next, we want to remove the fuse holder. You can simply remove the cables as their position doesn't really matter. Now use a metric size 3 Allen key to open the screws, and after they're open, you can simply pull out the fuse holder. On the other side, you can find 3 power receptacles. For those components, it's very important to know the position of the grounding cable. All other cables don't really matter. Unscrew the screws with a metric size 2 Allen key and afterwards pull out the receptacle. For the non-screwed version, simply remove the cables and clip it out. And this is how you service the electric components of the control unit on your EBS 100.